The capstone to our 30-year journey through technology is DevOps. The ability to iterate and fail fast in the cloud for application development changed the rate at which technology was expected. IT hardware requests that took months, if not years, to get were now just a credit card away. Developers were unleashed, and by extension, their users' expectations changed as well. The problem was, this created a monster. Users and developers wanted new features and fixes faster than was previously expected. As discussed, this drove development and the team who took over from them, operations, closer together. Development and operations had to become a Mobius strip of creation and maintenance. This is what led to the formation of the core principles of DevOps: collaboration, automation, continuous improvement, customer-centric action, and creating with the end in mind. Collaboration is the first, and for a reason. This could mean new processes of communication and development between operations and software creators. It could mean combining operations and software development into the same team. It can mean many things to many people, but the takeaway is operations and development no longer work siloed from each other with the occasional conversation around launch. It's a team effort focused on the application lifecycle. This team approach leads to a larger overall feeling of ownership throughout the entire lifecycle for the whole group. In the end, more collaboration drives more innovation, and that is one of the outcomes we want. Next, automation in the software development lifecycle is key. Automation removes potential human errors and allows developers the cycles they need to write new code. Automation in DevOps is about the continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline cadence and quality. Continuous improvement is the practice of focusing on experimentation, minimizing waste, and optimizing for speed, cost, and ease of delivery. Continuous improvement is also tied to continuous delivery, allowing DevOps teams to continuously push updates that improve the efficiency of software systems. This constant pipeline of new releases means teams consistently push code changes that eliminate waste, improve development efficiency, and bring more customer value. DevOps team use short feedback loops with customers and end users to develop products and services centered around users' needs. DevOps practices enable rapid collection and response to user feedback through the use of real-time live monitoring and rapid deployment. Teams get immediate feedback into how live users interact with the software system and use that insight to develop further improvements. Creating with the end in mind. This principle involves understanding the need of customers and creating products or services that solve real problems. Teams shouldn't build in a bubble or create software based on assumptions about how customers will use the software. Rather, DevOps teams should have a holistic understanding of the product, from creation to implementation. For an enterprise who has not yet implemented a DevOps process, this task can seem daunting. It is not only a process shift, but a cultural shift as well. As you consider your cloud journey, DevOps is a lot more than a side quest. Wholly independent from cloud, DevOps can be critical to some cloud journey successes. For successful DevOps adoption, considering implementing in stages. Depending on where your organization currently stands, you may want to build on an agile approach for DevOps implementation. Whatever you do, don't let DevOps be the thing that causes you not to want to execute your plan to move to the cloud. Waiting for DevOps to start a cloud journey is once again trying to have a perfect plan. And nobody's plan is ever perfect.